Are you a beginner guitar player struggling to make progress? Do you find yourself feeling frustrated and discouraged? Don't worry, you are not alone. Learning to play the guitar can be challenging, but with the right guidance and practice, you can transform your skills and become an accomplished player. In this article, we will provide you with 10 essential tips that will help you master the strings and take your guitar playing to new heights. Invest in a quality instrument. The first step towards becoming a great guitarist is having a quality instrument in your hands. While it may be tempting to go for a cheaper option as a beginner, investing in a well-built guitar will make learning easier and more enjoyable. Look for one that feels comfortable in your hands and produces good sound. Learn proper technique from day one. Developing good technique early on is crucial for long-term success on the guitar. Take some time to learn proper hand placement, finger positioning, and posture. This will prevent bad habits from forming later on, which can hinder your progress. Start with simple chords. As a beginner guitarist, it's important not to overwhelm yourself with complex chord shapes right away. Start by learning simple open chords such as C major, G major, D major, etc., which are commonly used in many songs across different genres of music. Practice regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering any skill, including playing the guitar. Set aside dedicated practice time each day or week and stick to it religiously. Even just 15-30 minutes of focused practice every day can yield significant results over time. Use online resources and lessons. In today's digital age, there are countless online resources available that offer lessons tailored specifically for beginners like yourself. Take advantage of these resources as they often provide step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and interactive exercises to help you progress at your own pace. Learn songs you love. Learning songs that you are passionate about can be a great motivator for practice. Choose songs from your favorite artists or genres and gradually work towards playing them. Start with simpler tunes and gradually challenge yourself with more complex ones as your skills improve. Develop ear training skills. Ear training is an essential skill for any musician. Train your ears to recognize different chords, melodies, and rhythms by regularly listening to music and trying to play along by ear. This will greatly enhance your ability to learn new songs quickly and improvise on the spot. Experiment with different playing styles. Don't limit yourself to just one style of playing. Explore different genres such as rock, blues, jazz, or classical guitar. Each style has its unique techniques and characteristics that will broaden your musical horizons and make you a more versatile guitarist. Seek feedback and guidance. Don't be afraid to seek feedback from experienced guitarists or take lessons from a qualified instructor who can provide personalized guidance based on your strengths and weaknesses. Constructive criticism can help identify areas for improvement that you may not have noticed on your own. Utilize technology and apps. Take advantage of technology tools such as guitar tuner apps, metronomes, backing tracks, etc., which are readily available on smartphones or computers today. These tools can assist in improving timing accuracy, pitch recognition, and overall performance skills. In conclusion, becoming a proficient guitarist requires dedication, patience, and consistent practice. By following these 10 essential tips, investing in a quality instrument, learning proper technique, starting simple chords, practicing regularly, using online resources and lessons, learning songs you love, developing ear training skills, experimenting with different playing styles, seeking feedback and guidance, and utilizing technology and apps, you can transform your guitar playing skills and achieve your musical goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. With time and effort, you will become the guitarist you've always dreamed of being. So pick up that guitar, master the strings, and let your music soar.